Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and I'm going to do a quick video on how to put together Crafter's Companion Card Kit. This is the open front easel card kit, and it says Wonderful Day. I don't know if they come in different themes, but these are thank yous, happy birthday, congratulations, thinking of you, and it makes 24 cards, 5x7 cards, and with envelopes. Phenomenal price. You couldn't go to the dollar store and pick up a card for less than what you were putting this together. Of course, it gives it directions, and they're very, very simple, but for those of us who like to see how to do things, I thought I'd do a video real quick about it. So it comes in sheets, and each card has 2 sheets. It has the base, all the little pieces, and then the front part and more little pieces. So I will show you that. This is the front part that you attach to the base part. Comes already with the saying on the inside. And then these little pop-up pieces that will glue onto the front, and I will show you that. And all the extra doodads that you would scatter around here. Now I've discovered that I didn't see a video on this, that basically what you're doing is you're just popping up the flowers or whatever it is on here to make it more 3D. So they're beautiful. They're just stunning, and I'll show you one completed. It folds up like this to fit in your envelope. And as you see, all I did was just put some pop dots on here and either follow what was already there and just 3D it, or I put the butterflies there. This is a happy birthday card. That part pops up, this part pops up, and it says happy birthday. And then all you do is just set it like this, and it is 3D. Just beautiful. Really stunning card. And how simple is that? I even put some extra little things on the back. You can, or you don't have to, but you'll put your hellos and your goodbyes on the back there. So that's how it turns out, and I'll show you some more of the completed ones as I go. But for now, let me just show you how to put it together. So you're popping all these out. That's all die cut. You're just popping things out of here, just like that. And you have all the pieces. Make sure that you take your whatever needs to be scored. There's a few pieces need to be scored, and score them really, really well, frontwards and backwards, just so there's a lot of play in that scored part. This again is the frame. Put that aside for right now. You have the panel that goes on the front here, and there is a front and a back to this, so be mindful of that. You just take this and insert. It says insert front panel. That's what you will do. And then turn it upside down. Again, make sure that it's scored, and that you burnish it really well. Put a little bit of glue on there. I'm using liquid glue. You can use tape or whatever you wish to use on this part. I like liquid glue because it gives me time to move it around a little bit. So put that aside. Then you have this one. It says glue area 3 right here, and that's what I'm going to do. Again, a little bit of glue, not too much because you don't want it seeping out. Now this one, you make sure that it doesn't go over the edges because you want it to fit in your envelope. Don't go over the scored part. This is going to bend, so keep it below that scored area and over on the side, and you will be fine. Just press that, press that down real good. Maybe I didn't put enough glue on there. Let's do that again, just a little bit more. And there you go. What I like about the card kits is that, you know, if you need a simple card, I do all sorts of cards, but I do a lot of card kits because, you know, if I'm in a bind and I need something quick, I do these kits all at once. So I'll have all of these done, and I put them in my stash. When I have an event or a birthday or something that I need a quick card, this is where I go. This is my go-to place. Okay, so you have this one here that will fit into this panel. This does pop up like that. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this side. Again, not too much. You don't want it seeping out. You don't need a lot of glue to make it stick. And there you go. Just center those real good. Make sure your edges are in the right spot so it doesn't go wonky on you, and let that sit. Now I'm gonna put this aside just for a moment, let those pieces dry. Now I'm going to go to the front, and it doesn't come with pop dots, and you don't have to use pop dots, but I like to use them. And then what I will do is I'm not going to do this whole thing for you, but you get the idea. I take a piece that looks like that piece, and I even do some 3Ding on these as well, as you will see on some of them that I will do. Oh, and let me put this one. It comes with the little, like, thinking of you or happy birthday panel there. Put a little bit of glue, and you're going to put this on the front, right in front of that front pop-up piece. Center that real nice, and let that go, and that will dry. And another thing you'll want to do is keep this on here. You don't want to go past the edges here, but you can go past the inside. But make sure you don't cover up your sentiment on the inside. And you can even put some on the inside if that's what you choose to do. I did one on here, and I will show you again how I did that. Let's see, I have one of these. I'll put this over here. And you're just giving it some dimension is all you're doing. And then I'll put now when you glue, if you do glue these and you put them past this framing piece, make sure you don't get the glue on the inside, because I've done that a couple of times. And there you go, like that, and then put the rest on, and I will show you how that goes. So once you finish this part, you can do this before or after. It doesn't make any difference, however you want to put this piece on. But this is the glue area 1, and this is glue area 1, and you just want to put that on there like that, and to make sure it's centered. Again, like here, it did squish out a little bit. You want to make sure that you don't get any glue on the inside here. If you do, wipe it off. This is glossy. It's very thick cardstock. And then you'll want to center it. Make sure it doesn't go past the folds, doesn't go past that part. Whoops. And see how that will go there. And then I'll put a couple others, you know, in and around. And basically that's it. You're just going to decorate the rest of it, and it will, this piece just doesn't want to sit. But this will come up here, this will pop up here, and whoever receives it, they're just going to put it up like an easel card. We'll have to let this all dry. So let me show you one that I finished. Again, this is Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Again, thank yous, happy birthdays, congratulations, thinking of you. And I put a butterfly on the inside here, and I also do the back as well. I don't pop them up because I don't need that much in the back there. That's where you'll put your dear and goodbyes. Very pretty. And this one I think I showed you already. Don't even know what kind of flowers these are. Freesias, maybe. Happy birthday. And then these right here. And that's, let's fill the day with lots of happy moments. It says, enjoy your day. And there you go. And they all pop up. They all stand up. Beautiful cards. Lovely. So, get your kits out. Do them all at once. That's my recommendation. That way they don't sit in your stash. And enjoy doing these kits because they're just tons of fun. Very good prices. When you're thinking about less than $1, I think this was $18. I'll put the link to it on HSN down in the description. I think they were on clearance. I'm not sure, but even so, if you're paying $25 for it, you're paying a dollar a piece for a beautiful pop-up card you'd pay $10 for in the store at Hallmark. But there you go. Hope you have a great day and enjoy the new year, and go craft. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.